Curry TV. Today, I'd like to introduce you to a fish fry that is from Kerala. A basic masala, something that we can do any day. So I'd like to introduce you to all the ingredients that we need. Let's get started. So we'll be using coconut oil for frying, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, and this is our hero for this evening. This is steelhead, fresh steelhead, and it's just delicate flesh, so you won't need quite a bit of masala. So I'll show you how that is. And black pepper, that's according to your taste. If you want to add more or add less, depending on your spice level, please do. And this is our secret agent, vinegar, plain old vinegar. And here's the tip for the day. We'll be using curry leaf for frying. I'll show you how this is used. So let's get a mixing bowl. I'll be using 2 big heaps red chili powder, half of turmeric powder, salt to taste. Now you want the salt to be a little bit up front because the fish has to absorb all that. And give it a mix. I have black pepper crushed, or you can use powder. The fresh black pepper has always its flavor, more flavor, so that would do. Give it a mix. Because salmon is so delicate, we don't want that flesh to be stuck to the bottom, so vinegar is going to be helping us out. I'm going to be putting in 2 spoonfuls of basic vinegar. Let's get this into a fine paste. The fish has been already cleaned, so maybe a little tad bit more vinegar. So that's a total of 3 spoonfuls of vinegar that I have used. And I'm going to marinate this onto the fish. So there you have it. I'm going to keep this aside for 20 minutes for the masala to do its magic. It's best if you let it sit for about 20 minutes to half an hour. If you don't have the time, marinate it, keep it in the fridge for maybe maximum 15 minutes, the minimum 15 minutes. Then if the flesh will absorb all that flavor, and it's such a delicate fish. It doesn't take so much time to cook this. Let's get this pan going. This is coconut oil, and it's pretty cold here in the northwest, so that's why it's like this. So 1 and 2. Generous amount of coconut oil. The coconut oil will add as a flavor enhancer. You should try it. There we go. Just enough to coat the pan. So here's the tip for the day. This is fresh curry leaves. They're going to add as they're going to be our helper for this evening. I'm going to place a couple of leaves like that. That's the sound that we want. So the curry leaf is releasing its flavor into that coconut oil. Our heroes are entering. So as you can see, it's well coated, not too much, just right. lowering the heat to medium low. It's going to start frying, so I'm going to cover and cook for 5 minutes on each side. I'm lowering the heat. Let's check on our fish. Oh, it smells so good. The aroma of masala, look at that baby. Okay. Sorry. Wow, look at that. You can discard this curry leaves afterwards, but we need them right now. I'm going to cover and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. It's hot. Ooh. Our fish is ready. Fish is all fried. As you can see, it's not oily. The whatever oil that I have put in, it's still in the oil pan. So please do try this. I have a salad that goes along with this. It's a great combination. I'm seriously, it's simplest thing. Onion, green chili, curry leaves, and tomato. And I'll show you. I'll share this recipe with you in the coming videos. Let's plate this and see how it tastes. A lime, if you want. Just a little bit of this juice in there. It's all set. There you have it, guys. It's a basic Kerala fish fry. Please do give it a try. Let's try this. Taste it.
Yeah, we are going to taste it today. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, let's use this lime. Actually, put it there in the lime.
Okay.
Okay. Breathe in. See the watering.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to go first?
Attack!
Let's try. And the salad actually goes very well with the fish.
I wonder whose mouth is watering now.
Yeah. Mine too.
Give it to him.
It's very good.
Don't fight.
Ah, it's really good. And the Thai chili and with the spicy fish and everything, it's so good. You should try it.
Okay, enough. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to us. As you can see, my family did attack the fish. It is very tempting. It's very, very tasty. please do give it a try and let us know in our comments below how it was. We love to hear your feedbacks. For more videos, stay tuned to Curry TV. I'll see you next time.